That's not even how you play the game, you idiot! Oh, I cannot wait for your dad to come pick you up. You're freaking annoying me. And this game is stupid. I cannot believe it. Can you even talk? Let me hear you say a word. Oh God, where is Rocko? Oh. But wait, before we get started, I want to give you the word of the day. Do you know the word of the day? Well, I don't know, but the word of the day is yellow. Yellow like my fist when I stick it up your dad's ass for leaving you over here. He's gonna get it.
I'm not gonna look in there. But Kermit, you have to look in there. No, I don't have to look in there. Look, what if he's dead? Who knows what he looks like? Well, that's the thing. We're not gonna know until we find out. Until we look in there. Let's just take the bag, okay? Let's take the bag. And then what? And then what are we gonna do? We'll take him to the doctor. Well, who's the doctor? Dr. Grover. Dr. Grover's a doctor. He's not a real doctor, you idiot. Yes, he is, Kermit. Every time I'm constipated, he sticks a finger at my butthole. We're gonna talk about that later. In the meanwhile, let's focus on getting Cookie Monster out of here. And I guess taking him to Grover. Okay, so we both decide that Grover, he is a doctor, right? I don't know. Let's just get. Oh my God, Kermit! My son is with Big Bird. You idiot! Why would you leave your son with the boss? He's supposed to be in good hands, Kermit. He's gonna get my son. We gotta go. Fuck this blue piece of shit. Fuck him. He's dead. He's dead like he said. Fuck him. My son's more important. No. He's my friend here. He's my friend. We're gonna get him. Let's go. Let's take him. Let me take a look. Oh my God! What? It doesn't look too good, Kermit. It doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good. Oh my God! Let's get him out of here, Kermit. He doesn't deserve to be in here. Okay. Here's the plan. We're gonna get him out of here. We're gonna take him to Grover. And then we'll see what Grover says. And then we'll go get we'll go to Big Bird before Elmo does, and then hopefully he doesn't get your son, baby Rocko. All right, shit, he's heavy. What fucking cookies he was eating, man. Fuck. Wait, let me help you, Kermit. Oh shit, this motherfucker's heavy. No lie, man. It's like a fucking brick house in here. Cookie Monster, wake up, man. We gotta go. We gotta get Elmo. We gotta get our revenge. You can't just die like this, Cookie Monster. Kermit, there is good news though. What? He does have a heartbeat. You idiot! That's a smartphone. That's YouTube playing. You're an idiot. Oh my God! What? That doesn't mean he's alive? No. Oh shit! Oh, our friend. Oh, Cookie Monster. Where's Grover at? He's on his way. Grover! Cookie. What did you say? What did you say? Oh, it was fun while it lasted, buddy. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss him too, Kermit. Wait, here comes Grover. Grover, come here. Oh no, what has happened now?